Yo, yo, yo. It's Bruce Webb speaking. Bruce Webb, the greatest. Let's get it, man. So check it out. So these are the golden zones. Bruce's golden zones now available on GU, EU, Gold, US 30, NASDAQ, and GER 30, Germany 30. Yes, sir. Let's get it. So we're going to look at all the pairs. We'll click through them real quick. Boom, 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 boom. We have all these pairs now. Now, this is what you should look for. There's two different ways to trade this. I'm going to make this short, sweet, simple. I'm going to post more videos. There's two different ways to trade this. There's trend direction, then there's counter trend. So this is trend direction. So if you're expecting an uptrend, right? Price is pushing up, whatever, pushing up, whatever. You want to wait for price to break out of the zone, right? Do a stop hunt. Call this a stop hunt. When they break out of the gray zone down to this line, this is like my stop hunt line. I like to call this my stop hunt line. This is my stop hunt line. So 25 pip stop hunt, and then it comes back up into this zone. This is where you enter. Your stop loss has to be here at the stop hunt. Then you can do take profit 1 and then take profit 2. So in order to get this full zone to zone, statistically, you have to wait for this stop hunt for it to be a nice clean zone to zone. You get what I'm saying? So look, stop hunt above, enter here, take profit 1, pull back, take profit 2. Got it? So now we're going up. You're waiting for the stop hunt down so you can take the buy up to the next zone. Same thing. You can enter here. That's 25 pips profit, yeah. But if you want a 50 pip trade, you have to wait. If you want a 50 pip trade, you have to wait for a 25 pip stop hunt, then come back into your zone, break, pull back, and then take off. So you can just enter here aggressively as soon as it crosses, or you can wait for the break and pull back. So if I drag my chart over right here, then go to the 5-minute. I use multiple time frames. I'll have the 15, the 5, and the 30 open, and the 1 minute. I want to see everything. I want to see all the candles. I want to see all the formations. I want to have a clear understanding. So here, we can see our 25 pip stop hunt if we're expecting to buy. Price broke over our moving average. This is the 20 moving average smooth. So this is the 20 moving average smooth, all right? Use that one, 25 pip stop hunt, price break over your moving average, that confirms it. So you enter, or you can wait for the breakout, pull back, enter here. Your stop loss has to be here. Take profit 1, take profit 2. Same thing, wait for that 25 pip stop hunt. Now you can go a 50 pip zone to zone. Now you get that break, you get that pullback, so you can enter here, or you can enter at the pullback. Either way, it's still the same risk. And then take profit 1, take profit 2, y'all. Don't complicate it. It's really simple. Price has to go up, 25 pip stop hunt for you to confidently enter. 25 pip take profit 1, 25 or 50 pip take profit 2. Come on, man. It doesn't get any easier than that, y'all. Then trend direction, right? So trend direction, price is already shooting down. So when price gives you a pullback, I don't really see it pulling back any higher, right? So there's your stop hunt right here. Go ahead and get in your trade, enter, stop loss above, take profit 1, take profit 2. Take profit 1, take profit 2, right? Don't overcomplicate it, right? Don't overcomplicate it. Bro, chill. Don't overcomplicate it. Price broke over, price pulled back to our stop hunt area. So guess what? What do I see right here forming? I see a 25 pip stop hunt. Zone, entry, take profit 1, take profit 2, right? So we might come up here and do a zone to zone, 50 pip zone to zone during Asian session or maybe London session, right? So that's GU, but it really doesn't matter. It's the same strategy for whatever pair. You get what I'm saying? It's the same strategy for damn, I can't talk. It's the same strategy for whatever pair. All right, let's go look at gold. This shit looks the same. So pretty much, y'all, it's the same thing. Same thing, zone to zone. Look, stop hunt, 25 pips. Guess what? Zone. Damn, what happened? What are they doing? Bro, what the front door? Whatever. 25 pip stop hunt. Here's your zone. You enter, stop loss above. Take profit 1, take profit 2. Now I don't trade these other pairs, so this is all to your discretion. But it's all the same thing, man. Wait for the stop hunt, enter, stop loss here, take profit 1, take profit 2. If you want to use the moving average, you can enter here or wait for it to reject, get back to your line. Now you can have your stop loss here, take profit 1, take profit 2. It really doesn't matter, man. Like if price gets to a line, if you think it's gonna go down, you sell it, stop loss here, take profit 1, take profit 2. I'm only usually taking take profit 1s. 25 pips is plenty, 50 pips is cool, but you know what I'm saying? So yeah, adding things like order blocks, things like that, whatever you want to do. You know what I'm saying? So boom, price made a low. This became a valid order block. Price pulled back into the order block. So you enter, stop loss above, or right above your order block. Take profit 1, take profit 2, easy money. Price broke, price pulled back to the moving average. Here's another order block all the way over. Take profit 1, take profit 2. Don't complicate it. Don't complicate it. Price made a new low from this. So this push made a new low right here. Then made a new low, right? So this is super strong. So here's our first small order block because this made a new low. That's cool. So order block broke, pulled back to this bigger order block, and then that's where the tank. So you should focus on selling it from here. So enter your sell, stop loss above, take profit 1, take profit 2. Don't complicate it, man. If you're waiting for a reversal, cool, let it break. Enter that shit here or enter it here. Either way you enter here, stop loss under, take profit 1, take profit 2. If you enter here, is enter a buy, stop loss here, take profit 1, take profit 2. You got it? Plain and simple. If you enter here, stop loss here, take profit 1, take profit 2. That's it. Don't complicate it, y'all. Wait for a stop hunt, enter your zone, take profit 1, pull back, take profit 1, take profit 2. Don't complicate it, y'all. That was gold. Let's look at Euro USD real quick. It's just the same thing as gold. I mean, it's the same thing as GU, but it's the same thing. Why is it doing that in my chart, bro? It's not even locked. But you see it, EU is less volatile, so it's a big spaces. But simple shit, man. You enter, sell, take profit 1, take profit 2. On a non-volatile pair like this, I'm only taking like 1 box, like from here to here. All right, that's plenty. Okay. So I don't like EU. EU's cool, but some people like it. So there it is. Boom. Here we go. We got US 30. You see how this shit shot up so much? Like it made it so, this is so volatile right here that it made these zones look so small when you zoom out. So now you can't see it because it's volatile, but during current price, you're good. So right here, current price, man, current price. So it's the same shit, y'all. Wait for a stop hunt, right? Sell it, stop loss above, take profit 1, take profit 2. And oh yeah, if you see news coming, don't trade, right? Because yeah, you were right in the direction, but the execution and your stop loss placement and all those other things is going to be the reason you lose because of news manipulation. You know what I'm saying? So don't trade before the news, trade this after the news. Okay. So same shit, y'all. Look for this pattern 24/7, bro. It happens everywhere. Stop hunt above, zone entry, stop loss right here. Stop hunt, 25 pip stop hunt. Get people to buy it. Then they come down, enter at the zone. We're entering. Take profit 1, take profit 2, stop loss above. Plain and simple, man. We're at the zone again. We get a break. We get a pullback. Cool. I like this trade. Break right here. Pull back to this same level. Enter. Stop loss here. Take profit 1. Take profit 2, baby. Real simple, y'all. NASDAQ. All the same shit. It's all the same. Wait for the stop hunt. enter the zone, take profit 1, pull back, take profit 1, take profit 2. Y'all, it's the same shit. If you're gonna enter here on the breakout, stop loss here, take profit 1, take profit 2. So these zones are getting you in trades and getting you out of trades every single day with the same exact, you feel me? Here's JER 30, everything looks the same. It's all the same, y'all. It's really all the same. It's really all the same. Okay. Wait for that stop hunt, whatever. Don't think too hard. If it's gonna go down, it's gonna go down. Yeah, I can't show you right there. If it's gonna go down, it's gonna go down. Plain and simple. Like right here. MA cross, cool. If you want to be confident, boom, enter that guy, stop loss, take profit 1, take profit 2. Don't be scared. Pulls back, shit, I'll enter again. Shit, who knows? It's an order block, right? Who knows, man? It's all calculated risk, bro. Don't be scared of taking a trade, bro. It's all calculated risk. If you're scared, reduce your risk. If you don't know your risk, you need to stop trading and learn about risk management. If you don't know what 1% of 1,000 is, or 1% of, or 2% of, if you don't know what it means to risk 1% of your account or 10% of your account, or you need to stop and learn risk management right now. You don't need to be trading. Okay. All right, y'all. I'm about to wrap this up. Those are all the new pairs available right now. So I'm gonna post a Telegram link. Price is $150. $150. That's the standard price. $150 one time for this indicator with all pairs: GU, gold, EU, US 30, NASDAQ, and Germany 30. Right? And I also have the updates working for Trading View as well for those same pairs. So everybody who got Trading View, you'll get the update soon. Everybody who's got MT4, you're about to get the update right now when I post this video. And everybody who wants to purchase it, there's going to be a link in the Telegram channel. So you can message me for the payment options. And you pay, you get access, and you get your trade on. I'll be posting webinars like this in the Telegram channel for my private members, for the people that paid. So when you lock in, it's ongoing support, ongoing learning, ongoing everything. Okay. So lock in with me. And these things I've been drawing up has been my order block strategy. So if you want to learn my order block strategy, if you're watching this video, if you reference this video, I'll give it to you for $100 one time. I'll show you how I find order blocks, have small stop losses, huge take profits, right? Huge R-to-R trades, easy money, order block strategy. Let's get it, y'all. I'm out. Bruce Webb, the greatest. Current price, hold on, right now. Current price this is gold. Current price gold right now. What is that doing? What is that doing? A little scalp. It's not going up, it's going down. Breaks the MA, here's your pullback. You can enter here, stop loss above, take profit 1, take profit 2, right? So use these levels, man, for entry, for confirmation. Don't be scared, man. It's all risk management, all right? So y'all, let's get, I'm gonna wrap it up. I love y'all, man. Let's go.